2021-2022 school year, SEP benefits and employee changes. Changes for the upcoming school year that may affect pay and benefits. Employee health insurance. Health insurance benefits for all school districts in Washington State are managed by the School Employees Benefits Board, SEB. Attached is the account login and website for additional information. Insurance eligibility. Eligibility is based on the total hours an employee covered by a bargaining group is anticipated to work during the current school year. An employee in an ongoing position who is anticipated to work 630 hours or more in the school year is eligible for benefits. An employee not anticipated to work 630 hours due to being in an on-call, substitute, or casual position, or whose hours are anticipated to be less than 630, will be tracked on a monthly basis. Should they work 630 hours, they will be enrolled in benefits at that time. Open enrollment. Open enrollment runs October 26 through November 23, 2021. Changes made during open enrollment go into effect January 1, 2022. Insurance plans, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums run on a calendar year basis, January 1st through December 31st. Annual amounts reset January 1st. All dependents added to coverage must be verified as the employee's legal dependent by uploading the SEB-approved verification documents. Unverified dependents will be removed from coverage at the close of open enrollment and may not be re-added without a special qualifying event. See the SEB website for a list of acceptable dependent verification documents and special open enrollment qualifying events. Special open enrollment events. Situations may arise during the year that necessitate the need to make a change to insurance coverage outside of open enrollment. Subscribers have 60 days from the date of an IRS qualifying event to complete a special open enrollment. Proof of the qualifying event, as well as verification of legal dependent status, if adding dependents, is required. Examples of qualifying events: birth, adoption, marriage, divorce, loss of other coverage for employee or dependents, court order, change under other employer-based group health plans open enrollment. All qualifying event changes are to be made in the employee's SEB account under the Special Open Enrollment tab. Long-term disability. Changes coming for 2022. During the 2021-22 open enrollment period, all employees who are not already enrolled in Supplemental Long-Term Disability, LTD, will be defaulted into the supplemental plan. Premiums for the supplemental LTD will be deducted from employees' monthly pay. Premiums are based upon the employee's age and income. Should an employee need to file an LTD claim, the supplemental plan will pay 60% of a qualifying employee's income. Employees who do not wish to be defaulted into the supplemental plan will need to select either the basic plan or the 50% coverage level plan. Basic plan pays out a maximum of $400 per monthly benefit. 50% coverage plan pays out half the supplemental plan value. Long-term care premiums. Long-term care, LTC, is a new payroll premium deduction that goes into effect January 1, 2022 for all employees. The premium will be a deduction of 0.58% from each employee's gross pay. Employees with private LTC plans can apply to the state for an exception to this deduction. Proof of exemption needs to be submitted to payroll to stop or avoid LTC deductions from pay. For more information, go to www.wacaresfund.wa.gov. FMLA and WPFML. These are not the same thing. WPFML. WPFML, Washington Paid Family and Medical Leave. It's a Washington state law similar to a medical unemployment. Allows eligible employees to take time away from work to care for their own or a family member's health situation or to bond with their new baby. Unpaid by the school district. Claims are paid by the state. Payment is 90% of the employee's income not to exceed $1,000 per week. For more information, go to paidleave.wa.gov. FMLA. FMLA, Family Medical Leave Act. It's federal government law. Requires employers to continue health coverage for employees who meet eligibility for up to 12 weeks. FMLA is unpaid. Employees may use their available leave balance to maintain pay. Employee extended leave of absence. There are a number of reasons an employee may need to take a leave of absence. Some are medical, health-related, others personal. Depending on the reason for the leave, there are federal, state, and bargaining contract guidelines that need to be followed by both the district and employee. Any employee who will be away from work for more than 5 days needs to complete a district request for leave of absence form. Forms can be found on the district website under HR. A leave of absence requires a 30-day notice prior to the start of leave, or as soon as possible if the situation doesn't allow for 30 days. Employees should complete and submit the district request for leave form to the appropriate HR personnel or benefits specialist. The benefits specialist can answer questions regarding leave laws, time off, pay, and how they affect each other.